afternoon, guys. So right now I'm here at Hibao-an, which is actually a partition of Mandurriao and Poton. So I'm walking towards the Hibao-an Flyover, and we have a bit of a traffic because it is, I think, roughly almost 5:30 p.m. We're just gonna do some quick updates on the current progress of the Hibao-an Flyover. So as you can see here, we have a sign which is going to Dumangas, Haro directions, and San Miguel. Going to the left is San Miguel, and going to the right is Iloilo City. Just walk further to show you the current progress of the flyover. So it has been I think roughly 3 years from the starting point where they started to construct 4 of the flyovers in Iloilo City. So it should have been started on year 2020, but of course there was a pandemic, so it was delayed roughly by around maybe 2 years, and all of the flyovers were delayed. So currently we have I think the other flyovers are basically technically are open, while the Ungka flyover is being repaired, and the one in Buhang is subjected to be opened somewhere in April. So as you can see right now, the I think all of the girders are installed, and then it has crossed the main street, which is currently C1, crossing the main highway here in Hibao-an. And the road is actually widened roughly maybe another meter to the side of the road. So we will just take a short walk and do some visual inspection on the progress. So going to Ungka, Haro, there's a bit of a traffic right now. And then as well as going to San Miguel, which is on my left. We'll just follow the lines of the cars when crossing the street or the road. So after roughly maybe just a little over 1 year, you can see now the progress. So on both sides, I think from where we left, there had been no construction of the approach yet. So only the other parts are already done. So I think they have to create or construct the approach in either ends of the flyovers. So this is roughly around maybe 400 meters across, and then the budget would have to be, I think, 400 million. So as you can see from this end right here, there is still no approach. So only the middle parts of the flyover are finished. So we'll try to go back and do another crossing. I think the other side coming from Ungka is a bit longer than the one going crossing going to Uton. And this is also a bit taller than the Hibao-an Flyover. So we'll do another crossing. We'll just follow the traffic. So this is two main thoroughfares crossing each other. One being the C1, of course, which is going to Vista Mall. Okay, so that's just about it for now. This is just a very quick update on the current progress of the Hibao-an Flyover. Thank you for watching, guys.